Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. My name is Elliot Page. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. We do all kinds of really cool sneaker reviews and just sneaker content. So if you are interested in sneakers in general, consider subscribing, join the team. But with all that out of the way, today we're looking at the Air Jordan 6 Hare, or the Hare Jordan 6. Alright, so I got the box here, and yes, we got the carrot box. You've got the carrot, you've got the classic Jordan logo here with the Air in the smaller text in between. You've got pretty much just a white box with a black Jumpman logo, and then of course you get your sizing and everything over there. You get that wavy pattern, but without further ado, let's get into the Air Jordan 6 Hare. So actually this box is exactly the same as the Hare 2.0, or that kind of furry gray colorway that released. Personally not my favorite, but this is one I can get down with. So this is kind of an early review. So these actually got delayed in the US, so they are pushed back from the 5th or the 6th all the way to the 12th. So out in the US you've got a little bit of a wait for these, but they still released here in the UK on the 5th. So the Air Jordan 6 in this Hare colorway retails for £170 or $190 if you are in the US. Of course, you're going to compare this to the original that released back in 1992, I think, and that was the Air Jordan 7 in the Hare colorway. Now there definitely are a few differences, and we're going to get straight into a lot of the differences between that OG colorway and this one right here. So this colorway is a take off of the original Air Jordan 7 Hare, which I think released back in 1992. Of course, if I'm wrong, let me know down in the comment section below. But that essentially is what this colorway is, and Hare obviously being the whole Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny collaboration or inspiration. Of course, it's on an Air Jordan 6 instead of the 7. The 6 and the 7 are pretty similar, and of course, if you like the 6 even more, I feel like you're gonna like this colorway. So we'll start right at the bottom of the sneaker, and you're getting some really nice colors. You've got the white, you've got the purple Jumpman logo, you've got this color. It's like this pinkish color, so it's not the red that we're used to seeing on the OG color. And you also have some lime green for the traction underneath. Now the midsole of this sneaker is solid white with, again, this pinkish color. It's pretty much the only pink on the sneaker. The rest of it is the normal red color. I definitely would have preferred a red, but I mean, it's not like I'm particularly angry about them putting a pink on there. I think it still looks pretty solid. So for the most part, the upper of the sneaker stays relatively simple. You're getting some white tumbled leather along with some really nice feeling gray nubuck material. You find that on the toe box, and of course both the medial and lateral sides. Moving around to the back, you do get a purple Jumpman logo. The majority of your color comes from right here around the laces. So the laces come in all white. You don't get an extra pair. So if you were hoping for an extra pair of laces, you don't get that. Because it is a Jordan 6, you are getting this lace cover or patch bit, and that comes in like this silky red color, and you do get a black Jumpman logo on it. And of course that color kind of extends down just underneath the laces. You also get this little lace lock, which comes in like this orange and green, of course, to look like a carrot, which I think is a really cool looking option. I definitely think it brings a little bit more color to the sneaker. The insole of the sneaker comes back in that pattern, so this is where you're getting the majority of your color. You can also see, obviously, the inside or the reverse of that tongue is in that same pattern. As a colorway of an Air Jordan 6 goes, I think this is pretty solid. As for sizing and fit, of course, this is going to fit exactly like any other Air Jordan 6, which for me is true to size. But of course, let me know what you think. Is this something you're going to be going for, or did you already cop it here in the UK? Let me know down in the comment section. And of course, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, everything. I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I will catch you in the next video. Until then. I really like the material on, okay, fuck that.